Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit player number in gameplay of eFootball 2024. So you can give the iconic number to your player. For example, you can give number 10 to Lionel Messi. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the objective or mission so you can get ton of reward from this game. So let's get started. Tap your game plan button, and this is game plan page or your squad page. Tap your club logo here. I'm picking Manchester United as my team or club. And this one, edit player number. Tap, and as you can see, this is all your player number. So you can change it. For example, Lionel Messi and 18. I want to change this, become number 10, his iconic number. And finish. Lionel Messi got number 10. And try one more time. Neymar, I'm choosing number 7. Tap done. Giro Immobile, number 9. Tap done. So the numbers is changed. So please free to try change your player number. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.